Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cleaning and sanding the quarter round so paint adheres. This reduces visible grain and bumps. Once done, sand with 120 then 220 grit and remove all dust. You should use a bonding primer, apply a thin coat along the profile, and let it dry 1 to 2 hours. Make sure to mask the wall and floor edges now. That prevents overpaint and gives crisp lines once you begin brushing. You'll now focus on brush technique to avoid drips and lap marks. Use a 1/2-inch angled sash brush. This fits the profile and gives control on convex curves. Dip only 1/3 of the bristles, tap off excess, and make long, continuous strokes following the trim's contour. Once finished with a section, lightly feather the end to blend. Make sure to keep a wet edge and work in small runs so coats stay even and seamless. You finish by applying 1 to 2 thin top coats of finish paint. Thin coats level better and reduce brush marks. Once a coat dries, sand gently with 220 grit and remove dust before the next. When edges need cleanup, use a small artist brush and steady hand to correct lines. If a drip or skin forms, wait until fully dry, wet sand the floss smooth, then recoat. The key troubleshooting tip: if paint peels later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.